Alright, this is Scott here with Hubsy and the Fan Page Engine, and I want to show you in this video what it looks like for your fans that come to your page to enter in your sweepstakes, kind of what the process is for them. So what I'm going to do first is I am going to go and I'm going to log out of Facebook real quick so I can kind of show you what this page will look like whenever I go over to it. So let me click the back button and then you'll see there, and let me zoom in a tad. What you can see there is, this is the reveal or the like gate that I put into this. That's telling them exactly what the contest is and telling them to like the page to enter the contest, and it points right up here to the like button itself. And so they've got to do all that in order to see the content of the contest. Now, the sweepstakes. Sweepstakes and contests are basically interchangeable, except for this is not a competition; it's just a random drawing. So that's why we call it a sweepstakes. Something you should keep in mind: if you're an admin of the page, you cannot see the reveal tabs or the like gates. This is Facebook has made it that way, that they don't let you see any of those things if you are an admin of the page. Like for me, for example, I had to go log out of Facebook so I could see this because I'm an admin. It's a goofy thing that Facebook has set up. So the best way for you to test it is either to have someone else log in or log in another account, or just simply log out for a minute and make sure the light gate is showing. So let me log back in, and then we'll kind of be right back where we were over here. So now that I have liked the page, so I see the image here, and then down below I see the date that it's ending, and then I have the share option, and I have the enter the sweepstakes option. Let me show you what it looks like if they were to click share. If they click share, they're going to see this here, which is exactly what I put into it when I set it up. The link here will go over to this app, shows the title on it, and it shows the description I want on it, and of course they can add whatever they want in their own comments. So that's exactly what it would show to them. Now what I want to do here, if I'm entering the sweepstakes, I can do a couple things. I can click on sweepstakes rules, and a little like box will come up and explain the rules to them, and you can look at the terms of service and the privacy, and that'll show you everything that we selected earlier that Facebook requires you to have. And then if I click enter sweepstakes, the box comes up here, and I selected this text so I can change it out. It's not very good looking, but let's just put in Scott at Hubsy.com, and I click enter sweepstakes. Please enter your full name. So here I can do two things. As a user, and kind of what we've kind of encouraged them to do is click the share, because that gives you that viral sharing. If you click share and then I share this, it'll automatically take them to the next step, and once they do that. Or I can click continue. So if I click continue, it then takes them over to this image that tells them exactly what's going to happen once the contest is over. And I did hyperlink this image, so if I click on this image, I should be now taken over to Hubsy.com, because that's what I told it to do. And so it's able to do that. Like I showed you earlier, you could hyperlink it. So that is kind of the experience that your fans get when they come over to your sweepstakes.